Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great start to 2018. I have a few videos left from last year that I'm finally getting around to editing and getting them up to YouTube, so bear with me on that. Also, thanks to the new subscribers who've joined the channel. I've noticed I've got a bunch of new subscribers added, so stay tuned for some more videos I'll be making on the Mustang, on the Shelby. I'll get some truck videos coming up probably in the spring. I have some maintenance to do on that, so stay tuned for that and enjoy the video.
There's the connector right there. Alright, pop that off and I'll take this mirror out. Get the mirror out. Alright, let's just take this window molding off. Hold on to that. Oh. Easy enough. So just the side skirt to left, lock and door handle on this side. Alright, to pull off this lower side skirt, I think I already recorded this on the passenger side, but if not, there's a screw there, and then all along the bottom, hopefully I'm capturing it, there's push pins, or push clips, and you gotta pop all those out. Pop the whole thing around it and then pull them out once we're done. So I'm just trying it down and then getting this in there and popping those through. So, try this down. Okay. Keep going all the way down. And that's it. Which is out. Done. Pull this guy off. Alright, so So this piece that was stuck on the car, I think just slides right in here. Just like that. And there was a screw on that side there that was missing already.
Alright, I'm going to cut the video right here. This is a good stopping point. If you guys are still watching past this 8-minute mark, here's a little extra bonus footage for you. I do have some extra video clips that I have to edit in on the Mustang, but for now this is a good stopping point. The next set of videos will primarily be on getting the body sanded down and ready for primer, and then just doing the body work from there. So again, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.